time, the administrator of Porbandar was Shankar Panduram Pandit.
Zu jener Zeit war der Administrator von Porbandar
Yes, Shankar Panduram Pandit. Shankar Pandit. Shankar Pandit. Now, as soon as he saw Swamiji, he was so much impressed. He said, Swamiji, nobody will understand your genius here. You ought to go to the West.
Dieser Gelehrte war so beeindruckt von Swami Vivekananda, dass er sagte, Swami, hier wird niemand deine wahre Größe verstehen, du musst in den Westen gehen.
Then he said, Swamiji, you become my own guest. He made him the guest of his own family. In that bungalow in which he used to stay, there only he made Swamiji to stay. And he said, no, cancel that accommodation in Shiva temple.
Er sagte dann, also mach mal die Verabredung da im Shiva-Tempel ungültig und bleib hier bei mir und hat ihn dann freundlichst gebeten, doch bei ihm Gast zu sein.
And then when he found Swamiji knew beautiful English as well as Sanskrit, he said, Swamiji, I am translating Atharvaveda from Sanskrit to English. Please help me.
Und dann bat er ihn auch noch dabei zu helfen, die Atharvaveda vom Sanskrit ins Englische zu übersetzen, weil er merkte, wie sehr gut Swami Vivekananda Sanskrit und auch Englisch
And then he told Swamiji, when you go to the West, you will need to know French. I will teach you French.
Im Ausgleich dafür sagte er, wenn du in den Westen gehst, dann wirst du sicherlich auch noch Französisch benötigen und ich werde dir das Französische beibringen.
Because he knew many languages.
Er
He was a great Pandit. So Swamiji,
großer Gelehrter.
normally he would not stay for more than 3-4 days in any place, but in Porbandar he stayed for 4 months.
Swami blieb eigentlich nie länger als 3-4 Tage an irgendeinem Ort, aber in Porbandar blieb er dann fast 3 bis 4 Monate.
And why did he stay so long? First of all, he learned French. Second, he helped Shankar Pandit in translating Atharvaveda. But most important thing is Shankar Panduram Pandit had a big library and beautiful books, and Swamiji had weakness for books.
Der Grund, weshalb Swami so lange in Porbandar blieb, war natürlich einmal, weil er Französisch lernen wollte und zum anderen auch, weil er dem Pandit half, die Atharvaveda zu übersetzen. Aber der größte Punkt war wohl der, dass er eine fantastische Bibliothek hatte und Swami hatte einfach eine Schwäche für Bücher.
And Swamiji for the first time heard a parliament of religions will be held in Chicago at Porbandar.
Und dort in Porbandar hat Swami Vivekananda zum ersten Mal gehört, dass eben in Chicago dieses Parlament der Religion abgehalten wird.
So, in a way, the bomb that Swamiji threw on 11 September 1893 in Chicago Parliament of Religions was prepared in Porbandar. The hot bomb.
In der Tat war es so, dass diese Bombe, die Swami auf dem Kongress der Weltreligionen geworfen hat, eigentlich schon in Porbandar vorbereitet worden war.
That bomb thought it was a thought bomb and it was not well received. So second bomb came on 11 September 2002. World was broken because Swamiji had given the message of harmony of religions. Had he taken it up, then this bomb would not have come.
Wenn die Welt die Message von Swami Vivekananda aufgegriffen hätte, die Harmonie der Religionen zu leben, dann hätte diese dritte Bombe am 11. September nicht fallen müssen.
Now the historic Bhojeshwar bungalow in which Swami Vivekananda stayed for 4 months was in a dilapidated condition, in a very bad condition. Previously it was a state guest house, afterwards it became a government district panchayat guest house, and so it was very badly maintained.
Dieses Gästehaus.
Okay.
And we will meditate half an hour. At 7 o'clock we start singing. Omila will play the harmonium. And as she is not doing that task every time here, sometimes we have other people to do the harmonium. I would like to ask all of us that we try to follow her way of giving giving us the melody, that we are not too loud, but try to get into the melody how she is playing it. Then it will be harmonious singing if we hear, if we put our ear on the
One thing,
harmonium.
Lily, is that not other way round? First we sing and then we sit for meditation. We do normally this thing.
Yeah, in the
In
evening.
the evening,
In
first
the evening
we...
we do that.
Perhaps here we have
No,
done
first of all
it.
we have prayer, no? Do we have some prayer?
Yeah.
Singing.
Singing.
Yes.
Harmonious.
6:30.
Yes.
6:30 singing.
First singing and then
Then
meditation.
meditate.
Yeah.
Then we do it in the
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
yes.
So 6:30
Then
to
we
7
start
will be
with
singing.
We sing normally 2 songs, Om Him Rhythm and Sarvamangalam.
Plus some more songs
And
they have
yes.
prepared. They can also continue with the song.
Yes.
Okay. And then say 6:30 to 7:15. You want? How much time you want?
Oh, half an hour.
So 6:30 to 7.
6:30 to for singing.
Huh?
Oh no, not
10-15 minutes.
20 minutes. 20 minutes.
At the most,
No,
20
Om Rim Ritam and Sarvamangal Mangal itself will take 15 minutes.
Yes.
Then some songs they have prepared.
Yes. Then it is. Then when we finish the singing,
Yeah.
then we meditate,
Yeah.
and then after that, at half past 7,
Yeah.
we go down,
Huh.
and then we look when the evening food is ready. Then we will eat.
What time we'll get food?
7:30 to 8.
7:30.
Will it not be too early?
We can eat a little bit later, do you think?
Yeah, normally we eat in our ashrama 9 o'clock, 8:30.
But that's not coming. We have the evening session also. After
After
finishing
food.
food, we again come and assemble here and then questions and answers and all
Okay,
that.
okay. That's very
Otherwise it gets too late
And
for the
Swamiji,
evening.
our evening food is not so strong as the lunch.
No,
Not so heavy.
it should not be so light that midnight I get hungry. Because it's too long a gap.
Yes,
7:30 to morning, again you will give breakfast only at
We
7.
provide you with some food.
You will get that of
There is Mogilal and all Leelas. They will take care of your stomach.
It is too much overloaded. Yeah,
Here's a question.
yeah.
Als der Swami jetzt erzählte von diesem Zyklon und dass die Decke runterflog und die Türen und die Fenster rausflogen, da schoss mir so ein Gedanke durch den Sinn, vielleicht deshalb, weil Vivekananda nicht zum Shiva-Tempel gegangen ist, weil er da dem Besuch abgesagt hat. Deswegen ist Shiva zu ihm gekommen.
You understood already?
Yeah.
It came to his mind perhaps because Swami Vivekananda did not go to the Shiva temple. This cyclone came.
No, it is not like that. Swami Vivekananda himself is Shiva. We think Swami Vivekananda himself is Shiva. Wherever he goes, Shiva temple comes up.
Yes.
And so that is why now it has become a Shiva temple. Our ashrama has become a Shiva temple.
I think his mother
Swami
also got a dream.
selbst, I have to translate, Swami Vivekananda selbst ist Shiva, deshalb ist das Beispiel nicht so ganz passend. Perhaps you tell us again this about what has happened, the vision of Swami Vivekananda in Amarnath.
Amarnath.
We heard it just
First of all, it starts with Bhuvaneshwari Devi. Bhuvaneshwari Devi, mother of Swami Vivekananda, had many girls but no son. So he made arrangements of a special worship of Vireshwara temple in Benares. And then she prayed and prayed and prayed to Shiva to give her a son. And one day she had a vision that Shiva has come to him. And immediately after that, Swami Vivekananda was born.
Das beginnt mit Bhuvaneshwari Devi, die nur Töchter hatte und keinen Sohn und die dann darum betete, einen Sohn zu bekommen. Und eines Tages oder eines Nachts hatte sie eine Vision, dass Shiva zu ihr gekommen war und daraufhin war sie dann schwanger und bekam den Sohn Vivekananda.
And then we find all in life, like what she was telling in Amarnath, he had a vision of Shiva when he went to Amarnath. And he said only this much about his vision, that Shiva granted him the boon of dying at his will. Ichha Vritti.
Yes, now I remember. Yes, das war diese Vision, die Swami Vivekananda in Amarnath hatte, über die nicht ganz viel erzählt wird. Vivekananda hat nur gesagt, dass er von Shiva was heißt Boon auf Deutsch?
Segen.
Einen Segen, einen Wunsch offen hat und dass der wäre, dass Vivekananda auf eigenen Wunsch sterben würde.
Many devotees believe that Swami Vivekananda was not an ordinary person. Shiva himself came in the form of a human being.
Sehr, sehr viele Devotees sind davon überzeugt, dass Swami Vivekananda keine normale weltliche Person war, sondern dass es Shiva persönlich ist, der in der Form seines Körpers zur Welt kam.
And that is why
Narada?
Huh?
Narada? Narada? Oder Narada?
Narada.
Nee.
No, he is not Narada.
That is why Sri Ramakrishna, when anybody would criticize Swami Vivekananda, he says, don't do, it will be like Shiva Ninda. It will be like abusing Shiva. If you abuse Narendra, it is abusing Shiva.
Wenn
It is not.
irgendjemand Swami Vivekananda kritisierte, dann hat Ramakrishna das vehement zurückgewiesen und hat gesagt, seid vorsichtig, macht das nicht. Wenn ihr Vivekananda kritisiert, dann ist das, als würdet ihr Shiva beleidigen.
So, that is your answer.
Das war die Antwort für Bruder.
Dankeschön.
So 6:30 we meet here. 6:30 to 7. Pray,
Can you give me the CD? I will test it on.
yeah, I will give you the CD. 6:30 to 7 we have singing, then meditation. 7 to 7:30, and 7:30 we come down. And after the dinner you prepare so many questions. Any question that you ask, go on shooting questions. I will be very happy to reply to the questions. Normally when I go to India, I talk to them. I have 3 types of groups. One group is the youth group. When I talk to them about how to build up character, how to develop willpower, how to control the mind, how to develop the total personality, I talk to the youth. I go to all schools and
Ich
colleges.
habe 3 verschiedene Sorten von Publikum. Wenn ich in Indien spreche, da ist da einmal die Jugend, zu denen ich spreche, wie man den Charakter entwickelt, wie man Willenskraft stärkt und all diese Themen. Die
Second group is when I talk to the executives and officers and managers and all corporate bodies. There I go and I talk to them on management, how to have stress management, or it may be management on Vedantic style, and also the management of mind and holistic style of management. These are the various subjects on which I speak in the corporate sector.
Dann gibt es diese andere Gruppe der Manager und Leute, die in der Wirtschaft und im Leben Positionen haben. Zu denen spreche ich dann über Stressmanagement oder auch wie man ein spirituelles Leben auf dieser Welt führen kann. Und gebe ein ganzheitliches Bild, wie man vedantisches Wissen in den Alltag integrieren kann.
And third thing is devotees, to whom I talk about Sri Ramakrishna, Sarada Devi, Swami Vivekananda, the message of practical Vedanta for the modern age, and science and Vedanta, what he was interested in, somebody was interested in.
Udo.
Yeah, you were interested in the reconciliation between science and Vedanta. How science is coming, modern quantum mechanics is coming in the feet of Vedanta, the correlation between science and Vedanta. And then the message of Sri Ramakrishna Sadhguru Swami Vivekananda for the modern age, how very relevant and useful it is. And then also on spiritual side, on meditation, we have special sessions on meditation, guided meditation, and then we talk to them about how to spiritualize everyday life.
Die dritte Gruppe der Leute, zu denen ich spreche, das sind die Devotees, bei denen bin ich dann richtig mit den Berichten und Erzählungen über das Leben von Ramakrishna, Holimasa Vivekananda. Ich spreche dort auch und über andere Themen, zum Beispiel wie sich das Ganze ins heutige Leben integrieren lässt, wie auch die Wissenschaft und die Spiritualität zusammenwachsen, und gebe auch Unterricht, wie man die Meditation üben sollte, und gebe auch geführte Meditationen.
And how to combine work and worship, and how to get peace of mind in everyday life.
wie man Arbeit und Gottesdienst verbinden kann, wie man den seelischen Frieden im täglichen Leben finden kann.
So this is the menu that I have provided. Now you can choose any item.
Jetzt habe ich euch das Menü ausgebreitet und jetzt ist es an euch, die Wahl zu treffen, was ihr an Speisen zu euch nehmen wollt.
But we can choose some from this menu and some from that menu and some from that menu.
Whatever. Now that is why I told you, you ask any questions. In the question answer session, many things will be threshed out. And tomorrow morning, perhaps we may have some meditation session. And then again, question answer itself will bring out so many things.
Wir haben da viel Altpapier da drüben oben liegen und vielleicht ein Stift, wer die eine oder andere Frage hat, ist vielleicht praktisch, wenn man sich die aufschreibt, ehe man sie wieder vergessen hat bis nachher. Zwischendurch geht einem das ja schon mal so, dass man eine Frage hat und dann kommt sie gerade hinterher nicht mehr.
I'll be giving a gift of one Swami Vivekananda photograph containing address of Porbandar, Porbandar brochure, relief brochure, and one CD. One Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam gave a beautiful speech, who is now becoming the President of India, gave a beautiful speech at Porbandar. I have brought VCD, every one of you will get one VCD free.
Der jetzige Präsident von Indien hat Porbandar besucht und hat was gegeben?
13th February 2002, he gave a speech. Within 3 months, he became the President of India.
Und 3 Monate später war
He got blessing from Swami Vivekananda. And he meditated in the room in which Swami Vivekananda stayed. That room in which Swami Vivekananda stayed, we are converted into meditation room, and many people are coming. And Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam came, he went to deep meditation, and he wrote about this in his book, Ignited Minds. I have brought that book, you can see that book, page 84, he says, I had a deep meditation in the room in which Swami Vivekananda stayed in Porbandar.
Also das war der jetzige Premierminister, der also auch in dem Präsident, der auch in dem Raum, wo Vivekananda war, in Porbandar meditiert hat. Das ist jetzt ein Meditationsraum und er hat gesagt, ich habe da eine tiefe Meditation gehabt und hat da auch später drüber geschrieben.
So we meet at 6:30. Bhogi bhai, please give to all of them one brochure, this one relief, and one folder, one this one, Swami Vivekananda folder.